Okay, this is absolutely beautiful. It is by Mulberry. It's a blossom pouch. You can see the blossom, the mulberry tree logo on the front there. It's just exquisite. It comes with a mulberry box, which is quite nice. The lovely oxblood colour, and it is excellent condition, excellent exterior, excellent interior, excellent hardware. It is just absolutely beautiful. So we'll show you the Mulberry zip pull. It's got Mulberry on both sides. Okay, nice zip top closure, and inside one compartment with obviously oxblood suede lining. It is a little pouch, so it could be a clutch bag, it could be a purse, it could be a cosmetics purse, it could be a pencil case. It's so versatile, it could be anything. Beautiful, beautiful, soft, luxury leather with this gorgeous sheen on it. It really is a beautiful, beautiful piece of Mulberry. So this is available to buy on our online store. In the comments below, there's a link that will take you to this on the product page. When you're on the website, sign up to our newsletter, because we send you a discount voucher for 10% off your first purchase, which is well worth signing up for. What else? There is a link in the comments below so that you can follow us on Instagram and get more regular updates about the new bags that are coming in. And also, if you like our bag videos, then please give us a thumbs up. Thank you.